Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your places. Class 2nd. Subject English Reasoning. Chapter number 1. Picture Puzzle. Lecture number 1. Let's start. Picture Puzzle. Picture. Puzzles. Picture Puzzles. Picture, Puzzles, comma, image, given, letters, formed, together, make, specific, which, represent, picture. In picture puzzles, an image is given and letters are formed together to make a specific word which represent the picture. जो पिक्चर पजल होता है इसमें क्या होता है, हमें एक चित्र दिया जाता है, एक पिक्चर दी जाती है और अक्षरों के साथ मिलकर एक शब्द बनाया जाता है, स्पेसिफिक वर्ड बनाया जाता है जो उस पिक्चर को क्या करता है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ओके एवरीवन. WRITE, write, PICTURE, picture, NAMES, names, INNTHEDBOXES, boxes. Write the picture names in the boxes. आपको ये boxes given है और आपको ये pictures given है. In pictures puzzle, an images is given and letters are formed together to make a specific word which represent the picture. Each word must match images. Afterwards, write a word inside the box. What is this? This is bird. Bird means pakshi. B-I-R-D. इसे हम कैसे राइट करेंगे? B-I-R-D. Left to right. B-I-R-D. Bird. What is this? This is broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Broom means क्या होता है? झाड़ू. As you can see, जो sign है top to bottom. B is already written here. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. What is this? Mouse. Mouse means चूहा. इसे हम कैसे राइट करेंगे? Left to right. M is already written here. O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mouse means चूहा. What is this? This is calf. As you can see, जो arrow है top to bottom. Top means सबसे ऊपर, bottom means सबसे नीचे, means हम ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आएंगे. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Scarf means dupatta. What is this? This is flower. Flower means फूल. As you can see, जो arrow है left to right. हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? Left to right. F is already written here. F L O W E R. Flower. Flower means fool. Popular understood? This is your today's homework. Write the picture names in the boxes. आपको ये boxes given है, आपको pictures given है, आपको इन picture को देखना है, observe करना है. ये top to bottom और left to right. कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Each word must match image. Afterwards, write a word inside the box. Okay, everyone? So, students, this is the end of your today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed your lecture and please complete your homework on time. Be safe and secure at your places. Thank you. Have a nice day.